Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 22nd. This is my analysis of the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think it is going to take out this high right here. I still think if you zoom out a little bit more on the monthly, which we can do real quick, I still believe that this is very likely to be an A, a B, and we're currently in a wave 3 of wave C. 1, 2, and 3. The wave 3 could possibly end shortly, and when I say shortly, I'm talking about the weekly and monthly, so it could be anywhere from a week to maybe 6, 8 weeks. But at some point, I do think it is going to make a big wave forward and eventually go back up for a wave 5. I still think it's going to go up and take out the high of wave A and probably end up someplace around the 100% Fibonacci extension all the way up to about the 204 area. So heading down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I mean, definitely making a pretty solid push down, but no break of structure, no real Fibonacci bounce. There's really no reason for me to think it's actually over. I see this as a 1, a 2, and then I do think there is a subdivision in here of the wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. So if we get a break of structure, then that could tell us that this is the end of a wave 3. But so far, no break of structure tells me that this may not even be over, and it could very easily just keep on trending up, especially with these yen pairs being in about a 4-year uptrend right now. This uptrend is at least 4 years, which is a big uptrend. So going down to the daily, definitely a very impulsive move down, but who's to say that this move down is not a correction to this last push up? It 100% could make a correction and just keep on trending up, and it could still be that wave 3. So yeah, we may be looking for shorts on shorter time frames, but we have to keep in mind that this could be a correction to the uptrend, and it could possibly just keep on going up eventually. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. Now, I would definitely go look for a short, but I 100% wouldn't try to go short right here. I would have to see this end a trend, which I think this trend is a wave A possibly, or wave 1. Then I would have to see a proper pullback. At the end of that proper pullback is where I will look for a sorting opportunity. Then if it's a wave 3, it'll just keep on going and we'll make a whole bunch of profit. If it's a wave C, then we'll see it bounce off a fib level, break structure, and we'll get out with a decent amount of profit. But then we'll reverse our position and go long for another nice profit. So either way, I don't really care whether it's a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC, because either way I'll better recognize it, and either way I'll be able to make some pretty good profits from it. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a pretty clear downtrend in my mind. Until I see a break of structure, it's still either a wave A or a wave 1, and really I would continue to look for shorts. There's nothing saying that has to stop right here. It could go down more. At some point, I think it is going to go up and break structure, which would probably tell us that we're in a wave B or 2. Then it's most likely going to go down for a C or a 3. If it's a C, then it'll bounce off a fib level, break structure. If it's not a wave C, then you will not get that break of structure. You'll still get a fib bounce probably on some of these fib levels, but instead it'll just keep on going down, making lower lows or lower highs. So like I said, I'm definitely going to try to go short at the end of this wave B or 2, and I'll learn and earn at the same time, which is my favorite way of doing it, whether this is a C or a 3. If it's a C, we'll definitely recognize that. If it's a 3, then we'll hold on to the trade and just keep enjoying the profits for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.